You built your business from scratch. Every client, every sale, every late night idea that no one else believed. But here's the business reality. For most entrepreneurs, you are the system. When you stop, the system stops. And if you didn't wake up tomorrow, would your business survive the next month? Here's what most owners never hear from their CPA. An index universal life policy, an IUL, isn't just tax-free cash value. It's the one structure that can keep your business alive, pay your people, and buy your family time to breathe, even if you're not there to lead it. Hello, my name is Robert Balgac. I'm the founder and CEO of Black Swan Insurance Group. And since 2017, my team has helped over 20,000 families and business owners across America build protection strategy that lasts generations, earning hundreds of 5-star Google reviews from clients who wanted peace of mind, not promises. And in this episode, I'll show you how to keep your business alive, even if you're not. So stay with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes could be the reason your business still has a future. Meet Shamikwa. She's a 55-year-old co-owner of a boutique real estate agency in Charlotte, and her partner Mark wasn't just a business partner. He was the heartbeat of the agency, the visionary who rallied their team, inspired their agents, and built trust with every client. He believed business was personal, that every sale changed someone's story. Then one Sunday morning, he didn't wake up. By Monday, everything felt fragile. Payroll was due Friday. Deals in escrow. The bank froze their credit line until ownership could be confirmed. The business sheet bill was suddenly hanging by a thread. But here's what didn't happen. She didn't lose the company. She didn't lay off staff. She didn't let panic make the decision. Because 3 years earlier, Mark had quietly funded an index universal life policy through their business. And when he passed, that policy delivered an immediate, tax-free death benefit to their company trust, enough to cover payroll, pay down $450,000 in loans, and keep every single employee. And now I'm going to show you how this structure works and why most business owners don't have it. An IUL policy isn't just a savings plan. It's your company's liquidity engine when the unthinkable happens. Here's what it does for every small business. Instant liquidity. The death benefit pays out income tax-free under IRS Code 101. Payroll protections. Funds are available in weeks, not months, to keep employees and clients secure. Debt elimination. Credit lines and leases can be paid off immediately. No forced liquidations. Buy-sell continuity. Surviving partners have the cash to buy your share outright, protecting your family and the business integrity. And remember, this isn't for your spouse's income directly. It is for your partner's liquidity. Because when the business keeps running, your spouse gets what matters most, stability. So let me ask you, if your partner or key person didn't come in tomorrow, how long could your business breathe without oxygen? Next, I'll show you how to use the same structure while you're still alive, not just for protection, but for power. The same IUL that protects your business when you're gone can strengthen it while you're still here. Every dollar inside grows tax deferred and can be accessed tax-free through participating policy laws. No age limits, no 10% penalty, no market risk. And this is why so many business owners call it their private pension. You can use it to fund an expansion, cover short-term slowdown, or even create tax-free retirement income when you're ready to step back. So if your IUL cash value ends up growing to $300,000, you can then access $100,000 to reinvest in your company, tax-free. And then your remaining balance keeps compounding. That's not fantasy, that's the tax law under IRS Code 7702, created to reward business owners who protect, not speculate. So here's my question for you. If you could build a pension that protects your business today and funds your freedom tomorrow, why wouldn't you? Next, I'll show you how the protection becomes a legacy your family and team will never forget. Legacy isn't the money you leave, it's the momentum you preserve. A properly structured IUL turns liquidity into legacy by paying bonuses to retain key employees, funding leadership transitions, and ensuring your spouse and family never have to sell the business in panic. Shamikwa's team didn't just survive, they grew. Her partner's plan became the silent partner who saved them all. You can spend your life building brand equity, but without liquidity, Everything stops the moment you do. And your IUL is what turns a lifetime of work into a lasting enterprise. You work too hard to let your business or your family start from zero if something tragic happens to you. An Index Universal Life, IUL, isn't just a policy. It's the continuity plan every small business owner deserves. So if you're interested to create your own continuity plan for your business, click on the link below to book your free tax-free wealth strategy session with us, and we'll walk you through exactly how to structure an IUL so your company, your people, your family all stay protected no matter what tomorrow brings. And when you're done, you can watch our next video, how to turn your business profits into tax-free retirement. It's the next logical step, showing you how to make your money work as hard as you do. Because at the end of the game, it's not what you earn, it's what you keep. Enjoy the ride.